We are at a friend's house dropping off some stuff, and this is a newly built house. Most of the newer houses have Goodman, but this house is luxury, and it has gas heat and look, 2 little old carriers. I am actually very happy. Little carriers. These are base model. This one's running. This one's not. And this little thing here is, that's a heat pump. 2-ton from 2010. August 2010, it's a year old. Heat pump. Both pure on, this one might be a heat pump too. This one's not. Good old carrier. Need a sticker on this one. Oh. This one is also a heat pump. These might be dual fuel. This one's a 3-ton. Yep, heat pump from 38th week of 2010, Copeland Scroll. And this little 2-tonner here, Copeland Scroll. Yeah, it's Copeland. There's a reversing valve, that's so tiny. 34th week of 2010. That house ain't done yet, so it don't have the AC unit. That house has got 2 turds in the toilet. This has been an Exitome video production.